Hi, this is Dr. Danny Brassell coming to you from Hyde Park, New York, home of the FDR Presidential Museum and Library. I'm in between a meeting of the minds, both FDR and Winston Churchill, just great thinkers. And that's one of the things I love about books, is it lets you have dialogues and conversations with some of the greatest thinkers ever to live. And that's my tip for you today, is if you really want your kid to become an avid reader, you need to spark their curiosity by exposing them to all these amazing people from history, whether it's Winston Churchill, FDR, Eleanor Roosevelt, Marian Anderson. There's so many amazing people that most of our children are never going to learn about in school as much as they can learn from listening to you as a parent. I mean, always remember, you're your child's best teacher. You're the one that your child looks up to. As my pastor used to say, you have the greatest home field advantage in the history of the earth. You could be the worst parent ever, and your child doesn't know it, because to them, your mom or dad, they look up to you. That's a very important responsibility, and I know it all too well because I have 3 children of my own, and I'm always looking for better ways to be a parent. I'm just like every parent. I'm thinking, wow, I'm not doing enough. And there's a lot of things I don't know about, but I do know a lot about getting kids excited about reading. So let me help you get your kid excited about reading. Go to my website, readbetterinSixty7steps.com. There I'm going to show you once a day a trick, a way to build the reading habit in your child so that they don't just read for school and read better, but that they become an avid reader and a reader for life. And when you go to readbetterinSixty7steps.com, you're also going to get a complimentary copy of my book, The Reading Breakthrough. It's another gift from me to you, because I'm trying to help as many parents as possible, as many teachers as well, get kids that hate reading into kids that love reading. So I can't wait to go on this journey together with you. Remember, you are your child's greatest teacher, and you make a difference every single day.